In the late afternoon, we depart from the Bugibba Jetty for a peaceful sunset cruise toward the famous Blue Lagoon on the small Comino Island. The atmosphere on this trip is calm and relaxed, a welcome change from the busy daytime tours. Along the way, we make a few short stops at sea caves, giving us a closer look at Malta's rugged coastline. The journey takes between 45 and 60 minutes, offering plenty of time to enjoy the golden light reflecting on the water. Our boat won't return until after the sun has fully set, allowing us to experience the Blue Lagoon in its most relaxed and magical moment. Come and join us on our unforgettable sunset journey to Malta's Blue Lagoon. Did you like this video? Then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about upcoming videos.